Kia ora. My name is Aroha Kereone. I'm from Matawa, and my role here on this whenua is a Kaimahi worker. What I love about my job is seeing the wildlife and all the growth come back, seeing the trees blooming with colour. Yeah, pretty much the mahi and all the uplifting stuff from it. Not only us, protecting our forests, but the local getting in there too and helping us, inspire them to, get up there and help us do all this type of mahi, and just supporting the ngāhere for not our own cause, but their own cause too. What I'd like to see in 50 years from now is noisy birds, native birds like the pigeons and the moreporks at night, and kiwis. We have a couple kiwis that are pretty noisy at night, and yeah, wanted to see it 2 times louder.